Welcome to Spacewalkers Live. This video is about the vision and strategy for ALE networking. My name is Laurent Bouchoucha and I'm Vice President of Business Development for ALE Network Business Division. Let us start with some market trends. First one is what we could call the digital experience. We're talking about people. With the sanitary situation, people have evolved the way they envision work, especially in terms of work-life balance. We need to enable digital communities, and we also need to ensure user experience. Secondly, processes. Processes are being digitalized, relying on IoT, and actually IoT data presented in the right manner, in the right timing to enterprise stakeholders to enable them to take better and faster decisions. And thirdly, we're talking about digital transformation. Agile IT with simplified workflows, with analytics, with faster return on investment. We are also adapting to budget constraints of customers by proposing alternative procurement models for technology based on subscription. To address those trends, our vision, called Digital Age Networking, addresses three pillars. First one is the road towards autonomous networks, with mission-critical networks relying on ruggedized hardware and high-resiliency network protocols. Networks that are self-configured more and more, self-healing. Secondly, IoT. How do we securely onboard IoT? Macro and micro segment the network in order to reduce the surface of attack? How do we have an automatic inventory? So in short, how do we manage IoTs? And thirdly, the business innovation is again taking this data we get from the network, this data we get from objects, and how do we evolve business processes thanks to that data. We are focused on 5 verticals in ALE, and we have portfolio building blocks in order to address these 5 verticals, which are healthcare, government, education, hospitality, and transportation. So portfolio building blocks, I talked about mission-critical networks with a great choice of mission-critical protocols like SPB, MPLS, ERP, and so on. Our fabric is unified, LAN and wireless LAN since quite a while, and there's a lot of automation in terms of the provisioning of that fabric. Our network management platform is also unified since quite some time as well, and it's again still a differentiator for ALE with LAN and wireless LAN managed in a single platform with common security policies. We are exploring edge computing capabilities for IoT, which is in short the capacity to pre-process IoT data at the edge of the network and send that aggregated data to the cloud. Location services, asset tracking, these are also components that bring a lot of value and enable lots of use cases to accompany the digital transformation of our customers. We're also entering the artificial intelligence area, working on preventive maintenance solutions. So again, increasing the resiliency of our networks. And finally, we are adding SD-WAN portfolio for you from Versa Networks. So a great partnership here with a market leader, and a great vision as well for SD Branch, which is the integration of LAN, wireless LAN, and SD-WAN within a single pane of glass, common configuration, common policies. So basically one policy for headquarters, branch offices, and work from home. Expanding a little bit on IoT. IoT are bringing lots of constraints and lots of issues on enterprise networks. So what we can do is automatically identify objects, put them in inventory, and do the macro and micro segmentation, as I mentioned, again to increase the cybersecurity. Tracking mobile objects is also a key requirement in today's enterprises and organizations. We have also evolved this asset tracking solution going into contact tracing. And again, here we can imagine lots of use cases, obviously in hospitals, in public venues, where we need to trace contacts live or historical. And we are working on a great integration with workflow engines, with CPaaS, communication platforms as a service, which is again to bring all this data we gather from the network and bring that to the right people in a user-friendly communication interface. As a service is a key trend on the market. The world is going subscription. It's solving lots of problems. It's helping. And we are here accelerating clearly with SD-WAN, as I mentioned, with our new OmniVista Cirrus, which is the evolution of our network management service platform to the new generation. So being cloud native, API native, and this API nativity is really the key to bring together the people, the applications, the network infrastructure, and the connected objects. And finally, network as a service. Network as a service, we have a clear vision for that. Right now, we are delivering connectivity as a service, which is, in a nutshell, delivering LAN and wireless LAN as a service with a monthly subscription. So today, let's imagine we have a customer that has 20-25% of the requested CapEx budget. They can still have access to the technology. They pay upfront this 20-25%, and then they complement with a monthly fee across a multi-year period. So a very interesting alternative from a procurement point of view. But we're not stopping there. In 2022, we will be releasing branch as a service. So adding to the subscription SD-WAN, asset tracking, for example, and a lot more. By 2023, we will deliver business as a service, which is really the idea to match as much as we can the business of the customer in our target verticals and deliver subscriptions totally aligned with their business, be it in healthcare or hospitality or smart city, for example. As takeaways, ALE networks are clearly differentiating on automation and simplification. You will see in the event that we have a very aggressive roadmap with major developments in switching, Wi-Fi 6, and NMS, network management. We are extending our addressable market with SD-WAN and network as a service. And again, think about IoT, everything that we can do from the secure onboarding to the tracking to the asset management and to the implementation of new business processes in the enterprise. Thank you very much for listening and enjoy the event.